Welcome back everyone to some more City Skylines as we build more F1 circuits around our little F1 Paddock Village. Last time out we built the most iconic circuits, the Monaco Grand Prix circuit, and it's almost close to perfection. But there is a bit of news that I have to share with you guys. As you guys see right now, the map is a bit different. So what happened was I tried to play the map, or tried to run it, and the city was so much in debt that it didn't work out. So we started a new one in a different environment and it works. So it's a city that works. As you guys can see, we are not in debt. We were in massive debt earlier, but yeah, this time out it's working. The city does work. Monaco is built nicely here. As you guys can see, we've got the start finish straight Sandavot, and it's an actual uphill, as you guys see, uphill to the top section where we'll build possibly a casino or something here. Goes around down, and then we have this hotel hairpin where we'll probably try and build a hotel here at some point, and it comes down through the tunnel and to the Nouvelle chicane and comes down to Tabac swimming pool, and then straight through Rascasse back up. So we kind of made it work. This is makeshift right now because we needed the population to grow. We are currently a big town and we're trying to achieve small city. In today's video, I want to mess about with the industrial sector of this place. And to be honest, I thought Baku would be a good circuit to have straight around here. I mean, Baku is located near, you know, a body of water, so I was thinking maybe we can put Baku in here and make it an industrial sector. Make sure to leave a like if you're enjoying the series, subscribe using the red button down below, and hit the notification bell as well so you're notified when I upload next, and so that you don't miss out on any future videos. And let's move on with the video today. So the first thing I want to do is I don't want to ruin this. The industry sector is quite important for jobs and, you know, figuring stuff out for the people. So the people need to work, so this is very important. So most importantly, what we need to work on is a start finish straight. I think this is a good start, don't you think? Nice long road going along straight like that. Yeah, it's gonna be the boxed area. We're gonna have to dig a little into the residential zone here. Let's get rid of this sector. We're gonna have to get rid of you guys. Sorry, bye bye. All right, we got the rectangle part of the circuit in. So let me just quickly delete this industrial zone. Goodbye guys, I'm sorry, you guys have to go. I'm gonna try to fit as many industrial buildings in here as possible. Make some crisscrosses as well. Now we have allocated this as the industrial sector, and the most important thing right now is to get that highway system nicely and like slotted in here, because highways are the most effective tool for the industrial sector. This is going to be the kink inwards, right, for the Baku circuit. So maybe we'll bring it up a level. Maybe we'll bring it up 2 levels, make it a high sloped highway system. Maybe bring it across like so for now. Oh, come on, is that it? That looks okay for me. This is the entryway for most of our industrial business stuff. For now, it looks okay. I think this is nice. Industry area. This is what we need. So this is going to be forestry industry. So let's just mark it quickly. Just like so. We're going to start specializing, which I think makes us more money in the long run. Bingo. Okay, so we get a small tree plantation, a small log yard, and sawmill. Now, granted, I'm not the greatest at this because I just don't know how to do industry parts, but if my basic understanding of economics comes into play here, it's to bring your supply to the other supply, to the other supply, to build a supply, to make up for demand. That is going to be the plan. So we got our plantation here for now. We need a processing building, so we need a sawmill somewhere. I think we can get bigger ones, so maybe we should just put these here for now because we need to level these guys up. And then we have a small log yard. Oh my god, that fits nice. We'll keep it like this for now. We'll see how this works. Alright, it's somewhat working right now. We made some makeshift intersections here to try to bring workers from the residential suburb area into our industrial complex. As you can see, everyone's hard at work, going to work here. What is this? Ready to wear limited. Bye-bye. So according to the Baku city plan, by the looks of it, yeah, that seems fine. And it connects here too. It keeps going, this road. It's a bridge, in fact. Leads up to a bridge that goes into the next sector. So this is perfect, actually. Now the question is are all my workers working hard? Or are they hardly working? This guy's going crazy with a chainsaw by the looks of it, just walking around. There's no real highway exit, which is a problem that we need to deal with ASAP. Can we bend it in? Oh, please? Oh, that's it. That's the golden system. We did it. So this is the exit. It hooks right in, and we got the entry into the highway out of here. So we got an inflow, worker, outflow. So that works. Oh dear, our other industry sector is struggling. They're on fire. Main tree industry is doing a-okay right now. Not the best. Not quite sure how to make it more efficient. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys know ways of improving the efficiency here. I mean, it looks okay. We are making some good numbers here. It's a lot of profit being made from the forestry industry. But I am importing a bit, which I don't know why, because I have all this production facility here. I have 127 tons being produced, only 8 tons being used here, and 15 tons being used here. Like, I just don't understand how do I source this stuff. Not quite sure. Marvelous news. Our garbage facilities here have finally emptied, so I can get rid of them and start building the rest of the Baku circuit. Yay. We have level 5. Full capacity. We got level 5 timber or forestry. So this is a 6-lane right now. And these are the single or like double lane. 2-lane with trees. Now at this point this road also kinks, so 6-lane road is also gonna have a slight downward tinge to it. Oh god, we're gonna have a electricity problem for a moment. Okay, this is starting to look a little bit like Baku. Square here, squiggly castle section, and I tried to add a little undulation. Ugh, it's the slightest of undulation, but it's there. Oh dear, didn't expect this. This might be why people are a little upset in the town. I've laid down the roadmap here for our road, our final aspects, final road elements. I think I need to expand this road a little bit further. Anyway, in the meantime, I'm gonna bring this stuff down a bit. I'm gonna build a grid inside here because this land is pretty much useless otherwise, so we're just gonna bring in industry. Made a tiny little adjustment to make it look a little more realistic. We made a little bit of a hilly bit here. Bring it in 90 squiggles, pretty much. Final bit there. That's pretty much the castle section. I think that makes sense. Going up like so. Now that's gonna need to be a downward slope. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. Kind of works. It'll have to do. And we can finally connect this final piece together now. Okay, so we built in an industry sector minus the one exception of a fire station. Maybe I should add a police station in here as well, but I don't have cash right now. So we have the start finish straight here. You're gonna go across, find your way over to turn 1, and then we're gonna get into turn 2. Go straight across, and then we're gonna make it to turn 3. The box section is done. Turn 4, go straight down, follow this road, turn 5, turn 6, and then the small bend right before we enter the castle section. You know, it's a long straight, but it's a very tiny little bend this way, but City Skylines doesn't allow you to make tiny bends, so this will have to do. Make a sharp right turn up into castle section, and then you're gonna make it to this long straight here. Make a left turn, and you will be back onto the main straight, going straight at 300 something kilometers per hour, 350, 260 kilometers per hour, and making it home to the start finish straight. Now one final thing I want to do before we end the episode today is connect the main highway system here. So this exit is sorted, so all these industry buildings are gonna, or the production from these buildings will leave this way and get out, but the main thing we need to worry about is how to get in. So now that we've emptied this zone out, we've moved every single polluting element back here. This is going to be our farming region. One thing we do need to do is find a way to bring traffic to and from the city area. Something like that could work, I think. It's a lot better. It's not as steep as I expected. So yeah, that's one way of getting into the city. Now the big issue is how do we get out of the city? Oh, that's pain. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'll take that. That is very nice indeed. So we got double bridge system here. So this is taking traffic into the city. So usually like garbage trucks and trucks like that will make it through. And then this will bring people from the city to work here. So we got two roads coming through, or multiple roads here connecting, but this will change eventually when we find other residential circuits that we want to include. I know there's Singapore out there. People wanted to see Singapore street circuits, so I think I'm going to add that somewhere in here. I'm also interested to add Jeddah somewhere in there as well. So this will change a bit, but being able to complete this is a godsend. It feels good. That is all for now. Maybe I will off camera work on, you know, working this out, and then maybe making the river a little longer and larger and making the river look nicer. But there we go. We got Monaco here and we got Azerbaijan Baku here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe using the red button down below, hit the notification bell as well so you're notified as soon as I upload next. More City Skylines will be coming, so please be sure to comment down below what other circuits you want to see in this series. Thank you guys so much for your support. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of City Skylines.